Hello, my name is Jungmin Ha, and today I'm gonna teach you the chili crab.
Can you tell me a little bit about why is it called chili crab?
Because I'm in Singapore now. I'm from South Korea, and I'm at Jaspas here, and we ate the chili crab tonight. So this called is the chili crab.
Okay. All right, let's learn the move.
Let's go. Okay, now let's learn the chili crab. So, the first time, make the packet to the G pack, G jet cup, and use the index finger to rotate the middle packet and place it down. And in the same time, push the top packet with the index finger and make it close. Then automatically you can flip the bottom packet. Then push this up and make it turn over. And as you can see, the packet goes through and it automatically flips over. And with the same time, you can turn your hands. So without the bottom packet, the upper two packets are on the top. So you can slip down the packet and close it. So it's all over this packet you're holding. Then use the thumb and the middle finger. Catch it. In this position, move the packet to the bottom and flip it over. Then you can close the packet. Okay, so it was the chili crab, and thanks for watching the tutorial. If you want another tutorials or how design, please check the itsteam.kr on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you.